What if you had a personal brand manager who tells you what to post, writes it for you, and helps you grow on LinkedIn? Because honestly, growing on LinkedIn is not hard. It's just time consuming. You have to think of ideas, write posts, analyze what works, and stay consistent. So instead of doing everything manually, I built my own AI personal brand manager using Claude AI and ConnectSafely.AI. Now, instead of me figuring everything out, Clause does the thinking like analyzing my posts, finding what works, and even suggesting what I should post next. So, as you can see on my screen, I'm giving Claude a command. What I'm basically asking it to do is act like my personal brand manager. First, I'm telling it to analyze my last 10 LinkedIn posts, looking at things like what format worked, how people engaged, and what kind of writing style performed better. Then I'm asking it to give me insights like what's working, what I should keep doing, and what mistakes I should avoid. And based on all of that, I'm asking it to generate 5 simple post ideas for me, along with strong hooks and a simple structure. So instead of random ideas, these are going to be data backed and personalized to my profile. I'll run this now and let's see what happens. If this works properly, this basically replaces the hardest part of LinkedIn figuring out what to post. So let me just run this command and wait for a few seconds for the results. So now you can see what Claude has done here. It didn't just pull my post, it actually broke everything down for me. First, it analyzed all my post performance. So instead of guessing what works, I can clearly see which post got the most likes, which ones got comments, and which ones completely underperformed. But the real value is not the data. It's what it does with the data. If you look here, it has actually identified patterns. For example, it's telling me that posts with specific numbers in the hook perform better. It's also showing that posts starting with a clear pain point outperform generic content. And this one is interesting. Comment based CTAs are getting almost 2 times more engagement than just saying link in comments. So now I'm not creating content randomly. I'm following proven patterns based on my own data. Then it goes one level deeper. It literally tells me what I should keep doing, like using result based hooks, keeping sentences short, and using before and after style storytelling. At the same time, it also points out what I'm doing wrong. For example, I had duplicate posts, which is killing reach. I have zero shareable content, so there's no virality loop, and I'm only posting text, even though other format can perform better. So now I have clarity on both sides, what's working and what needs to be fixed. And this is the best part. It actually generates new post ideas for me. Not random ideas, but ideas based on what's already working for my profile. So instead of thinking what should I post next, I already have a framework post, a product post, a controversial post, and even a carousel idea ready to go. So this is the difference. This is not just AI writing content. This is AI turning your past content into a repeatable content strategy. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like this video and see you in another video.